So I was planning on making a different video today, but two reasons why I'm not. One, I don't have a lift for my R6. I have a rear stand, but I don't have a front stand or just like a center stand lift thing to lift up the whole bike to do what I needed to do. So it took me a little bit to figure that out. I borrowed a lift from Chase on Two Wheels. He has one that lifts up the whole bike horizontally, so you can work on the entire bike front to back and not have to lower it or deal with separate stands. It's pretty cool. I already got it set up. This is what it looks like. So here is, I think it's called an ABBA Skylift. It's pretty cool. It mounts to the swing arm holes right here, where it pivots. So it mounts on both sides, and then you can kind of just pump it up. This thing is amazing, but it took me forever to figure out how to work it. So that isn't ready, or rather it took me forever to figure it out, so I kind of ran out of time to do what I needed to do on the bike. Second reason I'm not doing that today, the weather. So in the last video you guys saw, it's been cold and wet for like weeks. We finally got a day of sunshine. And not only is it sunny, but there are 0 clouds in the sky. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out the CRF, because I want to ride that thing as much as possible with the gift wrap on it. If you haven't seen that, I gift wrap my CRF. I'll link that down in the description. But before we head out, we got a sponsor for today's video, and that is Vikings War of Clans. Now, Vikings was inspired by top PC strategy and RPG games from the 90s, things like Civilization, Age of Empires, StarCraft. I freaking spent so much time on those games when I was younger, and it kind of brings it back in a new style, new generation for mobile. Kind of allows you to relive those games in a new experience with much better graphics. It also gives you the option to play with your own play style among 20 million other players in the game. Now, you guys can support the channel by downloading Vikings for free from the link down in the description. By using that link down there, you can get a bonus of 200 gold and a protective shield. I really appreciate when you guys check out the stuff and the sponsors that we got here on the channel. You know, it's that time of year. I got an R6 that needs new wheels, and Vikings has helped make that happen. So hit that link at the top of the description, get that bonus for you guys, check it out. I really appreciate it, and thank you to Vikings. Now let's get out on the road.
Oh my god. This bike looks so freaking good. I got a leaf on my tire. Alright. I think it's good. Let's go. Sun's going down. So you guys have been commenting that my bike idles high. Listen right now, it's idling completely normal right now. The choke is not on, it's low. But once I ride it for a while, you'll notice when I come to a stop, the idle is really high. I don't know why it does that. I don't know why it rises as I ride. It does it even in hot weather. It doesn't matter the temperature. It just does that. So if you guys have any ideas, let me know. The grip's not sticking. I really don't know what it is. All right, let's practice some wheelies. Oh, that's my best wheelie yet. At least it came up the highest of any wheelie yet. Idles are still okay. It seems like they're going a little bit higher. Let's go this way. I'm getting better. I just need to keep freaking practicing. I've been inspired a lot by, what is it? I think his name is Mike Boyd. He's got a YouTube channel where he basically just learns new things, everything. From freaking throwing axes, to solving a Rubik's Cube, to doing a backflip. He just has a bunch of videos where he starts from nothing and he tries to teach himself how to do different things. And it's so awesome to watch because he knows so many different things now. I'll link his channel down in the description. He's got like, I don't know, a couple million subs. His channel is awesome. It's just really inspiring. So it's kind of just been motivating me to just, even when I just go out for a different ride, just freaking try to practice wheelies as often as possible. Because as long as I do it consistently, that practice will build up over time. See? It's nice to actually ride when the road isn't completely soaked anymore. Got a little bit of not airtime, but lower G's on that hill. That kind of peaked quick. I like that. I need to go over that one faster next time. I won't lie, the little roads around here are pretty fun. Don't know where I'm going, but okay. No outlet, dead end, so I guess I kind of have to go this way. Let's see how those idles are. They're still not bad. They're not super high. I need to find another side road. Alright, you hear this? The idles are high now. Oh my god. Why are you braking? My biggest problem is getting familiar with the feeling of having it higher and higher. Because the more comfortable I can get with that, the more brave I can be with giving it more throttle. That's my issue. That is my only issue right now. Well, okay, it's not my only issue, but it's my primary issue. I know whenever I make videos like this where I have wheelies and or I'm out practicing, or if I'm asking for suggestions, I know you guys give a lot of good tips, but my primary issue I already have it figured out. It's the fact that I don't give a lot of throttle to bring the wheel up, and that's why it's not coming up a lot. And even if it does come up a little bit, I'm not so comfortable with that feeling of having it up that I just quickly drop the throttle off and bring the wheel back down. So the more comfortable I get with having it up, the more brave I get with the throttle, and the less likely I am to immediately not let go of the throttle, but turn off the throttle and bring the wheel back down. And that's why slowly, if I practice and practice and practice, it may take a while. I never said it wasn't going to take a while, but over time, slowly, I'll bring this wheel higher and higher until we're actually doing good wheelies. I need to find me a side street that's not a neighborhood with no outlet. Y'all see this? The idles have gotten higher and higher. I don't know why. Just like over time, as the bike gets hot while I ride, it idles higher. God, I cannot see myself ever getting rid of this bike by choice. See, I kept that one up longer. Brought it up higher, kept it up longer. That's all I'm shooting for these days. I love this bike. I love it so much. I've been obsessed for the past couple weeks with researching school bus conversions. I know that came out of the blue. I'm here talking about how much I love this bike and practicing wheelies, and now I'm talking about school buses. They're amazing, and I want one. People take a school bus, buy it dirt cheap. I'm talking like less than $5,000, $10,000 if you want to like really ball out. And they completely convert the thing into like a tiny home, like a moving tiny home, an RV, if you will. Let's go to the right. It just looks so amazing. Some of the conversions that I've seen are just ridiculous. Now back in I want to say 2016, at South by Southwest back in Austin, I went and hung out with some YouTubers, and there was this couple that was coming through traveling in their converted school bus with Fun for Louie and a couple other guys, and I got to check it out. And ever since then, I've just been like enamored with these things. But recently, within the past couple weeks, I've actually been like doing a lot of research. So I've been planning this thing out, like everything that I want to do to it, the complete design, the floor plan, what things I want to put in it. And I came across one the other day. I'll link their Instagram down in the description. But it's basically exactly how I want it. The layout out of the thing, the exterior, the modifications they've done to it, and the best part, they have a platform on the back of the school bus for his motorcycle. And that is what I want to do. So that's like my 5-year goal. In 5 years, I want to have a bus converted to be functional in that way. I'm setting a long-term goal because I know this is not something that could happen overnight. For the most part, people are just doing these things themselves, and it's crazy because these people will make videos doing a little tour of the house and talk about the fact that they had zero experience with any sort of like construction work or electrical work, woodworking, anything. They've never done anything like this in their life, and they just learn as they go, which is exactly what I've done with working on my bikes. Like, I know some of you guys will ask me, how do you learn to work on your bike? I'm no expert, but the stuff I've learned to do on my bikes, like, you know, when I do my builds and I completely take the thing apart and put it back together and do all the modifications and whatnot, I just freaking like throw myself into it and try it. And that's how I've learned to work on my bikes. Now I just freaking look at school buses and I'm like, yes, I want that in my life. School bus. It's to the point where I'm looking at school buses. Oh, I like that house. I like this freaking property. They have a lake in front of their house. Man, why have I never gone down this road? There's some nice houses out here. Oh, that one's cool. All that stone, a little drive-through carport with the garage in the back. Oh, Packers fan. Man, this is a nice little hood right here. But no, it's crazy how cheap people build these things for. Like I said, you can get a school bus for under $5 grand. And then with all the improvements that they make, the complete conversion on the thing, you're looking at a grand total, including the cost of the bus, of like 30 grand for most, like 25, 30 grand for most of them, up to like, I'd say if you're building like the most epic school bus that you possibly can, all the features, a raised roof, solar panels, full electrical system on the inside for all the light, and like nice cabinetry and all this stuff, maybe 50 grand. Which, don't get me wrong, is a lot. But when you're talking about a rolling house, it's ridiculous. Oh man, this is a big hill. I'm sure people are still at work, but this just looks like there's a bunch of houses that nobody lives in. Oh, look at that sun. How's that sun look on my GoPro? Watch for children. All right, I'm watching. Where are they at? Are we running them over? Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Oh, no hands. Come on, let's go. Woo! Keep going. Is there anyone behind me? No, we're still good. Go. I'm running out of speed. Keep going. Keep going. Oh my god, this is amazing. This cannot be safe. There's no way this is gonna work. There's no way I'm gonna get over that hill and out of this. No, I definitely can't get out of the neighborhood, but go. Come on. Okay, I can't do it. I tried really hard. But anyways, if you guys think that's an awesome idea and that I should buy a school bus and convert it, let me know down in the comments. If there's any like cool content, any cool YouTubers or Instagram accounts that you guys know of, I've probably already followed them, but you can list them in the description anyways. I'm looking for anything. I'm seriously watching any video I can find on people converting stuff. I probably should check my gas. I'm pretty sure I got gas last time I rode, but I should probably make sure that I'm not gonna run out, because now that I think of it, I might have not gotten gas last time, because I think the last time I rode was when I rode in the rain. Oh dude, I need gas bad. Yeah, I need gas. Let's find a gas station. I should probably stop freaking just cranking the throttle. Probably shouldn't have done that.
We're slightly obsessed with motorcycles right now.
Oh, that's good.
Motorcycle, that's right. That's a Christmas motorcycle too.
Yep. Freaking good weather just turns my spirits around. It's a good day. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I had a great time with you guys. If you want to check out any of my merch, I'm shipping stuff out this week. If you live in the States, you should get it by Christmas. So make sure you get your order in tonight and it'll go out tomorrow. I got shirts, I got key tags, I got wristbands, I got stickers. And for you guys, right now only, if you use the code Christmas when you order, you'll get 20% off. Motonosity.com/shop. I'll put the link down in the description. You guys have been awesome. I appreciate you guys riding with me today. If you liked the video, hit that like button. As always, remember, life's better with horsepower. Keep life lived. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Holy crap, that's a lot of Christmas decorations.